Good morning, children. How are you all? After 2-3 days, we have come back again to the classes. Not. I hope you are all keeping well, getting ready for your studies, classes, and getting ready maybe for your returning back to the school. Maybe it says that in November we will be having the offline classes. So I hope to see you all in the school so that we can do more. Isn't it? Okay. Now we have already completed the lesson glimpses of the past. I hope you have all written down the question answers and the notes that is given to you. I also explained to you about the grammar part, that is how to change direct into indirect speech. I hope something you understood. If those of anything did not understand, when you come to the class, I will surely explain to you in details so that I can understand your standard and help you. Okay. This offline online class, only this much is possible to do. Okay. Now coming back, today we will learn a new lesson, that is our poem, that is Macavity, a Mystery Cat. Okay. You will be learning the poem. It is a poem. It is a Macavity, the Mystery Cat. Mystery Cat. You all have got a cat at home. Some of you may have at your home cats, yes or no? Is there any mystery in that cats? Some may be mysterious. Mystery means very difficult to understand. Something is hidden in that. So today you will be learning about the cat who is very mysterious. Mysterious or mystery means which we cannot understand. It is something is hidden about that cat. Okay. So we will learn something about this. The poem is written by T.S. Eliot. So, the poet is narrating about this mystery cat. Mystery means, as I said again, something which we cannot understand. Something is hidden about that cat. Some characteristic of the cat is hidden which is not understood. So, that is what the poet is trying to tell. Let us see what is that the poem, what is. I am sure that you all have seen cats. It's not, because it's very common pet animal. Have you all got a pet animal at home? How many of you have cats? Yes, good. Okay, now we will learn something about what is this mystery cat, about what the poet is trying to tell us about. Okay, the cat Macavity is a mystery cat. Mystery means what I said? It is some characters of the cat is hidden, which is very difficult to understand what is the mystery of that, which we cannot understand, but something we will later understand. Okay. He is a master criminal. So the poet is telling this cat, particular cat, is a master criminal. What is meaning of criminal? One who kills people or animal. We say criminal, no? Here is an animal. He must be killing another animal. Let us see what it is. So the poet is telling he is a master criminal. He can defy and break any law. He is telling this particular cat is very, very smart. He can defy or break any law. He is very disobedient, doesn't keep the rules and regulations. That is what the poet is trying to tell. Even the police forces of or flying squad of England have failed to arrest him. When he do some mistake, some criminal, he kills somebody, even the police could not catch him because he is a mystery. Okay, that is what the poet is telling. Even the police people or the flying squad, what was flying squad? You know it, isn't it? We are all living in a society where all these words are there, isn't it? Okay, so they are telling in England, this is a poet Eliot is telling about, he is a mysterious cat. Even the police, when he do some crime, the police people even failed to arrest him. Okay, he gives a slip to them. With the police reach the scene of crime, by the time you won't find him, because when you know that when some accident takes place, somebody kills somebody, do they remain there with them? No, they will run and escape, is it not? So here is so this cat is a very mysterious one. By the time the police people to find out the crime and case and things like that, it is too late for them. They never find the release there. Who is there? The Macavity, cat. The criminal by that time is gone. By the time he do his killing or harm to somebody and he escape, he will not be there by the time when the police there because it's a mystery. People could not find out him. Okay, now McCavity is a matchless in his field. Is matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. He can do any impossible task. Maybe you can think, no, you can imagine who is a cat. Cat must be a devil, is it not? Yeah, sometimes we can see in the serials and all devils coming in different forms, yes or no? Yeah, have you seen one story was there, Kuttichatan, how the things takes place, no? So many stories are there about. So you people will be watching the movie, television and things. The devils work, they will come in different forms of animals and human being also sometimes. All those things are incident. So this is what something more or less like that. This cat must be a devil's attitude. Okay, McCavity is a matchless in his field. He can do any impossible task. He can do any impossible task. So that itself shows that this cat is something mysterious, yes or no? We have also cats. Do they do any impossible things? No. But then we will understand. He can disappear. He can break Newton's law of gravity and float in the air without any support. So that is what is mysterious. He can do it. So we cannot do. Can we float? No. But this poet is telling this cat is very mysterious. He can disappear suddenly from the side. We see him, suddenly we disappear. That is the work of devil. We see some, then soon we will not be able to see. So then he can also float. Because we cannot float, we can stand only, walk or run. But this particular cat can float in the air without any touching. So that is what the poet is trying to tell. Then, even the flicker of the magician are surprised to see his feats. That means, even the magicians were surprised to see with this. Magicians could not understand. Magic people will do so many things, isn't it? Magicians will do so many magic that we believe on because they have their own way of doing. Even such kind of people could not understand what the mystery of this cat is. He will outwit you. He will outwit you. It means he will fool you. He will make you to search for him and wonder like that and things like that. You may look for him in the basement and the air. You will have to access him. You will not find. Suddenly he will appear in front of you. Then he will vanish. That is what happens in the devil's cases. It's not apparitions of devils sometimes in the movie or the serials and things like that. You will be watching. I am sure that you know all those things because you are not small children to less understanding. You are all people to understand the things. Okay. So here the McCavity is a tall and thin cat. So you will find in the textbook how the shape of the cat is. It is a tall and thin. It has got his eyes are sunken. His eyes are sunken. So you know what is meaning of. Okay. Then and his head is lined. His head is lined. So you look into the picture, you will understand. You have got the textbook, you will understand what is the picture given to you. And his head is round like a dome. He is narrating about the shape of the cat. He is tall and thin, his eyes are shrunken and his head is lined. His head is round like a dome. Dome means kudaram, no? It's like a round thing. And his coat is soiled and his hair is in a disorder. So you look at it, his hair is all is very disorderly face looking. So then he moves like a snake. He moves like a snake. When you think he is sleeping, he is in fact wide awake. He may be because his sunken means his eyes are like looking like this. It's not open like that. So you may be thinking the cat is sleeping, but the wide he is understanding everything. So it is very difficult to understand this mystery of this particular cat. McCavity is a devil in cat's shape. So the poet is telling, I said in the beginning itself, McCavity is a devil in the shape of this cat. He is morally corrupt. He is morally corrupt. That is why he is killing the peoples and animals and things like that. You can meet him in a lane and in an open ground. Where do you find him? You will find him in a lane or open ground. You can see. Okay, lane means any street like that. Open ground. But you will not find him where the crime has been committed. See, for example, something happened here. You will not find that animal there. He will do his and go away. Will not be found. So that is the work of the devil. No, devil will not remain there. It will be appearing here and there. No, like devilish way, but very nice way. Animal's shape, human being shape, then some bird's shape and things like that. So this is all what about the cat is. Okay. Now we will go to the poem. What the poet is trying to tell us. I just to give you the summary of it. Okay. What is why it is, how it is, and what is the shape of the cat and how. What is that? Everything is there in the understand in the textbook. You will be okay. Here now we will, as we take the page number 50, the Macavity, the mystery cat. Okay, written by Eliot, T.S. Eliot. Okay, now let us enter into the lesson. You just look into your textbook. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? Mysterious meaning, again I am telling you, it is something which cannot be understood. Okay, it is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery. It's not that easy to tell every cat is a mystery. But Macavity is one. So his particular cat about whom we are learning, it is a particular one, it is a mysterious one. Mystery is there. For sure. What is that makes him perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. So what that makes this cat a mysterious cat? Mystery about it. What? Now we will learn the poem what make this particular cat a mysterious one. Is it clear for you? Okay. Coming to the lesson, please look carefully as I read. You also just follow. Okay. Macavity's mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. He is called the hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads disappear. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity is not there. That is apostrophe S. Macavity is not there. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a faker stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So you understand the poem, no? No. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Macavity is a ginger. Gigantic, tall. Ginger, he is tall and thin. You would look him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His eyes are sunken in. His brows is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are unencumbered. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a friend, found in feline shape and a master on depravity. You may meet him in the by street, you may see him in the square. But when the crime's discovered, then Macavity is not there. See, this is the whole poem about. So I explained to you. So this is the particular things about the poet is telling. Okay. Now we will go by. Listen to the law. Now listen. We will go by the step by step the poem all about. So Macavity is a mystery. Mystery means not understood. It's not very difficult to understand. He is called a hidden power. Hidden power. So it's called this particular cat is called a hidden power, which means nobody can understand what this trying to tell about him, why he is and how it is and things like that. Finally, they will realize that it is a devil. It's not. From the beginning, it is too difficult to understand. For he is a master criminal who can defy the law. The poet is telling he is a master criminal. Very, so many murder he must have taken. He must have killed so many, maybe people or animals. We don't know why it is, but he is called as a criminal. Criminal means one who kills the people or destroy the things and things like that. Do attack the people, no? So, and he can defy the law because he break every law, because we are not allowed to kill anybody, yes or no? But this particular Macavity, he break all the rules and regulations. That is what it says. He is befilement. Befilement what? Befilement means what? Fooling about, no? So he can fool the people around and break all the laws, and the meanings of the words maybe here they are given. Defy means disobey or resist openly. Okay, then he is the master of, okay, he is the befilement of Scotland Yard. Okay, the flying Scots disappear. So he can even, nobody can catch him. Even the police people failed to catch him. He will disappear suddenly because he has got like a Maya. He's like a Maya. Appear, disappear. Nobody can catch him. That is what they say. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. See not? He does the harm, then suddenly he will disappear. No village people, no squad of the place could catch him. Such a mysterious animal was Macavity. Okay, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So they have called, they were trying to find out, but then it is a mystery. They say, oh no, he could not find. This somebody are talking about. So they will never find such a mysterious cat. He is broken every human law. He disobey all the rules and regulations. So he doesn't obey the human law. He breaks the laws of gravity. Gravity means what? Who is the master of gravity? Newton, is not? Gravity means what? How did he find Newton the gravity? An apple fallen down, he found it is falling down, not going up. Yes or no? When you put something up, it will come down. Yes or no? It is the gravity of the earth. But the poet is telling this particular Macavity, he even break the gravity of law because he is able to float in the air. Can you float in the air? No, we cannot. It's not. But this is a devil. It's a devilish shape. It's like a it is not like a cat. It is in the shape of cat, but it can take any forms. That is why it's able to float in the air. So it is disobey the law of gravity. That is what it says. Then Macavity is okay. Human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a faker stare. Faker means to understand. The magicians could not understand the what is called the levitation. Levitation means floating of this particular cat. He can take any bilocation. Say some people say, "No, you see him here, but suddenly you will see him there." So this is called bilocation. The levitation means which he is able to move in the air. Okay, that is the particular capacity of a devils, and even the angel of godly beings has got capacity. But this particular cat is not godly; it is a devilish attitude. Is it clear? Now, then you reach the scene of crime. Macavity is not there. So by the time the police people or flying squad reach the scene where the criminal or murder has taken place, nobody is there. He could not find anybody there. So this is the mystery of this particular animal. Okay. Now, McCavity, but when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. You may see him in the basement. Basement means somewhere hidden or somewhere in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. So you will not find him. You may find him elsewhere, but you cannot easily find out because he can appear and disappear immediately. That is his capacity. That is the mysterious behavior of this particular cat, who is a devil, is not it? So that is what it says. McCavity is a ginger cat. Okay, is a ginger cat. It says that. What's the meaning of ginger cat? It's a very lean and thin and tall and things like that. So the shape about the size or the shape of the cat is explained. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is tall and thin. It's gigantic, very huge looking, maybe very frightening, things like that. He's very thin. He's very tall, and you would know him if you saw him. If his eyes are sunken in. Sunken means his eyes are not wide open. It's like half sleeping. It is looking like that. No, face looks very dull and things like. But sometimes in the movie you see the bright eyes. Is not. Some are like so different things like that. So here usually the cat's eyes are dim. Yes or no? In the daytime it is very dim. But in the night, in the darkness, the eyes opens. Now if you check, you will understand. Okay, here then McCavity is about the shape of the cat is explained here. McCavity is ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. He would know him if you see him. If you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken means very half sleepy like. Okay. His brows is deeply lined with thoughts. His head is highly domed. So, what is telling him the brows? Brows means what? This part of this, deeply lined. There are deep lines are on it, and with thoughts, as if it is thinking something, with full of thoughts and things like that. His head is highly domed. The shape of the head is like a dome. You know what is dome? The shape of the kudaram, like this dome, like things. And he says that his coat is dusty from neglect. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are unencumbered. So whiskers are unencumbered. So the meaning of the words, a few words are given you in the textbook. The rest you take a hard look in the dictionary, find out the difficult words. Is it clear? You must find out the meanings of difficult words to understand better the lesson. But the exact word may not be suitable here because it is a poem. Poem has its own way of expressing. Okay, but then you should know the meaning of the words. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are unencumbered. His face, his head from side to side. His movement like a snake. So his head is sways means just moves, and he moves like a snake, crawling like a snake. That is the movement of the cat. Have you seen cat is crawling like a snake? No. Usually cat walks, it's not, but he can slowly move, but not like a snake. So, but the poet is telling the movement of this particular cat is like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. You may look at him, he may be, if you see him, you may think that it is sleeping because he has what a very sunken eyes, closed eyes, half closed eyes. And you may think it is sleeping, but it's very smart, he is wide open, wide awake. You know what is happening. That is what the poet is trying to tell. The last paragraph tells, McCavity, there is no one like Machiavelli. He is telling, everywhere you call him, you will not find him. There is nobody like Machiavelli. Is a new name is given. It's a mystery cat. Name is given, but it is not an original name of. Nobody knows about Machiavelli. For he is a fine and feline shape, a monster of depravity. He is the shape of that. Nobody can find out. He is fine and feline shape, a monster of depravity. So nobody can find him. Nobody can see him. Invisible. Okay. Then you may meet him in a by streets. You may see him in the square. Sometimes very decently you will find him in the very. Then you will not find that it's a devil. No. It's very decently standing or walking in the street and open places and things like that. But when the crime is discovered, then Machiavelli is not there. He will do all harms. The time you go and find out the crime, who did this, they inquire who did, but you will not find the person who did the crime. You will not find Machiavelli there. But Machiavelli must have done the crime. So he disappears. Nobody can see him. He is invisible to the eyes of the people. So this is what all about the poem. Is it clear, children? So read the poem, understand it. I have explained you, I have given you the summary, and then if you find it hard words, difficult words, write down, look into the dictionary, refer the meanings and study. Read the poem many times, repeatedly, so that you will understand what is the mystery of the poem is all about. Let us see you in the next class with the other worksheet of the lesson. I want you to read the poem and study. All the best. Have a nice day.